Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you see our video, madam. We want to say thank you because you have already given us the opportunity to present at this time. And our presentation will talk about electrical welding. So before I do the presentation, I would like to let you know about the members of the group. The first one is me, Muhammad Rajus Khan, and the second one is Fadli Rahman Hakim, and the last one is Muhammad Adityan Ediana. Okay, let's start the presentation. Welding is a really crucial job worldwide, playing in a big part in building structures, making vehicles, and creating all sorts of material things. Even though it is super important, welding is not easy gig. It needs a skill and precision. The whole process can easily go wrong. So welders really need to know their way around electrical welding machines. Whether it's picking the right welding rod, tweaking the current settings, and making sure everything's safe, precision is key. Welding is a process where mistakes are pretty common, so paying attention to every detail is a big deal. That's why there are important things to keep in mind when welding, like understanding what materials you are working with and then sticking to safety rules, all to make sure you're welding out successful and safe.
Hello, my name is Fadli Rahman Hakim. What we have to look out for when welding. When you are welding, it's super important to really focus on your safety gear, your personal protective equipment. Welding exposes you to some serious stuff like instant heat, UV radiation, and spark flying around. So, you have got to wear the right safety gear and stuff, welding helmets, gloves, flame-resistant clothes, or wear pack. Good ventilation are a must to keep yourself from these risks. Next slide. Feel free to skip the safety gear above, but before skip it, get red ash from the welding fumes, like in the pic on your right screen. Also, the place where you are welding needs attention. You need good ventilation, get rid of the fumes and gases from welding, so you don't end up breathing in anything harmful. And don't forget about good lighting. You need to see what you're doing clearly to avoid making mistakes. Basically, making sure you have got the right gear and a safe workplace is crucial for a welder to do their job well and stay safe. Next slide. Before you jump into a welding project, it's crucial to be super prepared, covering everything from tools and machine to the operator doing the jobs. First, you have got to make sure the welding machine is ready to use. First, doing regular maintenance checks is a must to make sure it works smoothly and doesn't act up and unexpectedly while you are welding. And let's not forget about the tools, things like electrode, amperes, and electrode clamp. Having your tools well organized and easy to grab makes the welding job go way smoother. Plus, the person handling the welding, their skill is a big deal too. They need proper training, know-how with specific welding techniques, and a clear understanding of what the project needs. So, in a nutshell, nailing a welding project comes down to being super prepared with the right tools, machine, and skilled operators, making the whole welding process smooth and effective. Next slide.
Hello, I am Aditya. In this video, I will present to you about welding procedure. Here is how you do electric welding. First, prepare personal protective equipment or PPE and other equipment. First, welding gloves for protect our eyes from welding light. 2. Welding glove for protect our hand from welding heat. Number 3. Wear pack for protect our body from welding spark. 4. Long jeans for protect our leg from welding spark too. 5. Safety shoes for protect our leg from hot workpiece. Safety shoes. Prepare the equipment. Hammer for hit the slag. Wire brush for make sure the workpiece is clean. Clamping pliers for clamp the workpiece easily. Electrode clamp for clamping the electrode. And electrode is material for welding. Don't forget our workpiece material to be welded. Clean the surface area of the metal to be welded. Clean the surface area of our workpiece from dust or slag. We must clean the workpiece until it's clean. Positioning the workpiece properly. Make the workpiece A and the workpiece B as close as possible, because our workpiece position determines what method we will use in welding. Set up the welding machine. Turn on the welding machine earlier. Set the machine ampere. Set the positive cable to the electrode clamp and set the negative cable other side can conduct the electricity to our workpiece. Clamp the electrode to the positive probe of welding machine. Clamp the electrode properly at electrode clamp. The electrode tip close to the workpiece. This way is used for the trigger electrode first. Begin to weld the workpiece. In this case, we must move the electrode slowly and get the algorithm of the electrode burned. In this case, me, as the welder, use a circular swing welding method. This method commonly used by welder. Finally, clean the weld dissolve. Clean the weld salt correctly and carefully, because the weld workpiece has temperature over 100 Celsius. So, working it up, using electric welding machine really needs a good comprehension of their work and the technique to operate them. So, welder very much need in industry, because welder have high standard on their job. Even though there are different type of this machine out there, the key is being carefully and precise when you are using them. Wherever you are pro in industry or just someone using this machine, you have got to know the knowledge of the safety and application, how to maintain the equipment, and the best way to join metal workpiece. Stick to this guideline and basic principle, and you will boost efficiency, safety, and the overall quality of your welding work. Plus, diving deep into understanding electric welding machine opens up chance to improve your skill in the wall welding and manufacturing scene.
Before ending the presentation, we want to apologize if there are any mistakes that we made during the presentation. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you can understand about the topic that we present to you. See you. Bye bye.